Visit Holiday Manila Galleria Hotel, Unbox newly renovated suite room. Enjoy the member welcome snacks. What are the amenities they supplied? Hi, I'm Tri Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together. Good night, Manila. I just touched down at Manila International Airport, and now it's time to grab my luggage and hop in a taxi to the hotel. But before we dive into that, as always, let me tell you how I made it here. I flew to Manila on a Philippine Airlines A321 in business class from Taipei, experienced China Airline Lounge for my favorite beef noodle soup, and of course, indulged in some authentic Filipino cuisine in the air. Check out the link for the full flight report. After dealing with customs, it's time to locate the pre-ordered taxi from the hotel. Holiday hired me an Avis taxi, but you know, it's almost midnight, past office hours. Obviously no one here. Late, 11:50, almost 12. No one here. Let's see how much time to wait. After a solid 30 minutes waiting and calling, the wheels finally rolling. First time for me in Manila. Wasn't sure which taxi apps to trust. I went for the safest option. And well, here we are. Anyhow, let's head to the hotel and cruise down these bustling Manila streets. After a 30-minute ride, we are here at Holiday Manila Galleria. Lobby's looking nice and clean. Check-in is a breeze. And lucky me, I got an upgrade to one of their freshly renovated suite rooms. Seems like a win, especially considering some Google reviews said about outdated interiors. Okay, I'm at the 25th floor, room number 5. They said this is brand new renovation executive room. Let's take a look. We got chocolate for members. Lovely. First time hearing about the new executive floors. Before we kick off the room tour, I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future. The room this floor is pretty much the same size, so I'll stay here. And the other room looks very similar size. Okay, let's enter the room 2505. Room tour. Oh, there's a small living room area, and they come with the chocolate for the member and some instruction. For the member, I believe they got this nice dessert or welcome dessert. This is newly renovated. Looks new, smell new. That's good. The water. Okay, let's take a look at the mini bar. Nothing inside. It's okay. Nothing in the drawer. Okay, there's a huge mirror over here. Great. Let's see. Oh, this looks so new. Closet, safe, and the slippers, common usage. It's quite dark here, nothing here. Let's take a look at the bathroom. The bathroom is in the middle of the room. So this brand is quite often seen in Holiday Inn. We got a toothbrush and some amenity kits. Got a bathtub, it's okay, with a shower inside. This is a king bed. Looks newly renovated, looks quite nice. Okay, let's take a look at the view, if there's a view. I cannot see anything. Okay, nothing can be seen here, too dark. Right now it's already 1 a.m. Here we'll see another building over there. This is the welcome snacks, I think. It looks like a puff. I'll try. It's creamy inside. little bit different, but okay. Chocolate, quite nice. So this is a room tour for a holiday Manila Galleria, and this area is actually the business area. So most of the business travelers will come to here if they visit Manila. Today I'm quite lucky. I booked the standard room and be upgraded to the executive king suite, and this is newly renovated high floor option. It got a decent welcoming snacks and also quite large. For the room itself, it's very new. Highly recommend this hotel. In my next video, I'm flying to Singapore via Philippine Airlines A321 in business class once again. We'll check out the Filipino home-based lounge, Mabuhay Lounge, and dive into more authentic cuisines on the next leg of this journey. Stay tuned, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.